In this video, we will learn how to decode hexadecimal into understandable decimal values for networking. Ever feel lost facing cryptic hexadecimal codes in network settings or system configurations? Hexadecimal is crucial for data representation in computers and networks, optimizing memory and simplifying addresses. Understanding hexadecimal lets you configure devices, interpret errors, and troubleshoot technical issues effectively. Hexadecimal uses 16 symbols. 0 through 9 represent 0 to 9, A through F represent 10 to 15. Each hexadecimal position represents a power of 16, increasing right to left, 16-0, 16-1, 16-2. Let's convert 3A to decimal, starting by identifying each digit's individual value. Multiply each digit by its power of 16. 3 by 16 to the 1, A, 10 by 16 to the 0. Calculate 3 times 16 equals 48, and 10 times 1 equals 10. Easy peasy. Add the results, 48 plus 10, to get the hexadecimal number's decimal equivalent, 58.
So the hexadecimal number 3A is the same as the decimal number 58.
Solidify your understanding and build confidence by practicing more hexadecimal to decimal conversions. Confidently interpret and modify hexadecimal values when configuring network devices and diagnosing issues now. Use your new hexadecimal skills to understand error codes, leading to faster troubleshooting.
You've unlocked the power to decode hexadecimal, making network tasks much easier now.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.